we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of DCEHKR Grass Handheld Sweeper Power. The following is highlight features or overview summary, that's include: powerful and efficient. The gas power broom has a 1.7 kW power 2-stroke engine with a high speed of 8,500 rpm. The strong power allows you to complete the sweeping work easily, improve work efficiency, and save time. Saving time. With this handheld floor sweepers, you can save valuable time when cleaning sidewalks, driveways, and gardens. It sweeps about 6 times faster than by hand and it works completely effortlessly, making sweeping a pleasant experience. Wide application. This broom has sturdy replaceable nylon brushes that are strong and easy to grip. Thus, you can easily sweep away snow, leaves, soil, and all kinds of dirt. This sweeping brush works in both dry and wet terrain, so it has a wide range of applications. Large cleaning area. This lawn sweeper with a size of 22.05 x 9.25 inches can clean large areas of the ground in one go, allowing you to complete the cleaning work faster. Long endurance time. This gas power brush fuel tank is capable of holding 1 liter/0.26 gallon of gasoline, which is a huge capacity. This gives the broom a very long endurance time, so it can be used for a long time without refueling. If you want to get full features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.